Welcome back to the kitchen. Today we have the main commentator, the one who thinks I don't know what. We got the guy who not only is he the commentator, he's a jack of all trades. He knows everything there is to know. You got it? You hear him? So, I'm going to attempt to make a blueberry lime cream cheese pound cake. I have no idea how it's going to turn out because I'm distracted in the background. What else is new? This is life in this house. So, my husband went outside and he planted the onions today. And Nonno, our Italian Nonno, is dying, you understand? He's dying to get out there because he has to make sure that the onions were planted properly in a straight line, the way he thinks it should be done. Issues. Big issues. Huge issues. He has a hard time getting around, but he is dying to get out there. So now he's trying to find my husband or my son to help him get outside. Meanwhile, you know what? He's more than capable of getting out there. He does have a hard time getting back in. Yes, I agree. But that's to come in. That's to come in. You can get out there, okay? And you know that.
Okay.
Okay. So go. Go do whatever you got to do.
Okay.
Go supervise the ground.
Yeah.
Yeah, go supervise the onions. And he's laughing because he knows. He knows I'm right. Look at him. He's not even out there and he already knows. He already saw from the window that, oh my God, it's not put in properly. This guy's too much. So, this is what I have to put up with daily. He's telling me to be quiet. I can't be quiet. Anyways. Blueberry lime cream cheese pound cake. Oh my God, I never heard this one before. You hear it? I gotta be quiet because so that he could go outside. Otherwise, he can't go outside if I'm talking. I guess he can't concentrate. Look, this is what I gotta put up with. Hilarious. Look at what you look like, Dad. That's what you look like. Okay, that's what you look like.
Yeah,
but you're all upset for nothing. How am I making you upset? I'm telling you to go. I am. I'm telling you to go. So what's making you upset? Because I need to hold your hand to go outside? No, you're capable of going. Last week when Fernando was working in the front, you ran out there.
Julia.
Okay, then don't go. Don't go. Because there's nobody here to help you. Don't go.
Chiama William, non mi faccia
William's busy.
Sai? Ma vatti da fare cazzo te.
Okay.
Oh.
Let me get back to my cooking. I'm not talking to you. Okay. This is, oh my God, now he's going to call William to get William to go down to help. This guy's too much. Update on my dad. He called William. William was upstairs. He called William on his cell phone and got him to help him to bring him outside. So now he's gonna, whatever.
They call me after.
Oh, and look, you know what? With all this going on, I forgot I gotta get my blueberries ready. Hold on. He's right outside my kitchen window. I told you this guy's too much. It's okay. He keeps us on our feet, and I keep him on his. It's good to be the baker, the cooker, the baker, the chef. You get to taste everything. Okay, this is ready. So now, we got our little pan ready. We're going to put this all in here. And look how yummy it looks with the strawberries. Oh, strawberries. Oh my God, look. I mean, with the blueberries, I'm freaking losing it today. It smells good. All I smell is these blueberries. Oh my God, and the vanilla. Oh, and the lemon. Mmm. Okay. Beautiful. This is ready to put in the oven. See? Told you. He's out there complaining about how the onions were planted. Apparently nobody knows how to do anything except for him. Oh, wow. Okay, this is going in the oven. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. It's going to go in the oven for about 60 minutes. And then we're going to make some nice cream cheese icing to put on top. And we'll talk to you then. Bye-bye. Let me go see what this Italian nonno wants. Cake is ready too. I'm not putting the icing on the sides. I like it just like that. I think it looks pretty. There you go. Delicious. I can't wait. Oh, taste test. Excellent. Oh my God. I got this down to a T.